Today we see about today late code daily challenge problem. We are given the question construct k palindrome strings. I will explain you. They are given a question, given a string s and an integer k, return true. If you can use the all characters s to construct k palindrome strings of false otherwise. Okay. They are given string s and given integer k and return true. Here we initialize the code. First, I will tell you what is palindrome. The palindrome is word or string that reads the same forward and backward like race car or madam. This is the example for palindrome. Next, we given effective effects palindrome creation என்னன்னா characters that appear an odd number of times can only fit in the middle of a palindrome. Next, we contact with an even count can from pairs and balance the palindrome. This is the key points for palindromes and FD palindromes. They are given three examples. Input and output. First we take first input and output and we initialize our code and compile it. Let we let we run the code and initialize. First we initialize k is greater than the length of the string. It is possible to create k palindromes. Yeah. First we get if k length of s is return false. Next from collection import counter count their values, count the frequency of each character in the string. Next we got initialize character count. Next counter of s. Next we initialize odd count. Odd count is equal to sum of 1 for count in character count dot values of then if count percentage to is equal to 0. Next we finally initialize return odd count greater than is equal to k. Okay, let me check the code, check for the output. It is under or not. Yeah, that is some errors. We will resolve him. Counts equal to sum. One for counting character count that values of if count percentage to underscore a. Next time we run the code and check for the output. Yeah, our code was run. This is the our input and output. I will tell first time. I will take the input and output. Okay, guys. This is the today solution for today lead code daily challenge problem. We can understand and solve. Please subscribe our channel. If you are new member, please subscribe our channel. So only I will post the daily videos. Notify for your mobile. Okay, guys. First we compile our code. Is accepted. Next we submit our code. Yeah, our code was run. Daily coding challenge is completed. Completing strike 4 days. Okay. Thank you, guys. If it is useful, please subscribe and like. That is any queries, comment me, I will reply. Okay guys, I'll see you next video. Thank you guys.